Namo Siddha Swarupananda Paramahamsa Namine Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prestayate.
Namo Siddha Swarupananda Paramahamsa Namine Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prestayate.
Namo Siddha Swarupananda Paramahamsa Namine Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prestayate.
Namo Siddha Swarupananda Paramahamsa Namine Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prestayate.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Nayanya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Nayanya
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Nayanya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Nayanya.
Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gauranga Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gauranga
Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gauranga Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gauranga.
Jaya Jaya Srila Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Srila Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Gurudev
Jaya Jaya Srila Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Srila Prabhupada Jaya Gurudev.
Jaya Jaya Siddha Swarup Ananda Paramahamsa Jaya Jaya Siddha Swarup Ananda Paramahamsa
Jaya Jaya Siddha Swarup Ananda Paramahamsa Jaya Jaya Siddha Swarup Ananda Paramahamsa.
Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasudeva Bhakta Vrinda.
Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasudeva Bhakta Vrinda.
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Bol Krishna
Madana Mohana
Hari Bol Krishna
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Bol Krishna
Madana Mohana
Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana.
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Bol Krishna
Madana Mohana
Hari Bol Krishna
Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana
Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana.
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Bol Krishna
Madana Mohana
Hari Bol Krishna
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Bol Krishna
Madana Mohana
Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana.
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Bol Krishna
Mohana.
Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana. Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana.
Gopala Govinda Rama,
Hari Bol Krishna,
Madana Mohana.
Hari Bol Krishna,
Gopala Govinda Rama,
Hari Bol Krishna.
Madana Mohana.
Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana. Gopala Govinda Rama, Madana Mohana.
Jaya Jaya Gurudev,
Hari Bol Krishna,
Jaya Jaya Gauranga.
Krishna,
Jaya Jaya Gurudev,
Hari Bol Krishna.
Jaya Jaya Gauranga.
Jaya Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Jaya Guranga, Jaya Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Jaya Guranga.
Jaya Jaya Siddha
Hari
Swarup,
Bol Krishna,
Ananda
Hari
Paramahamsa.
Bol Krishna,
Jaya Jaya Siddha
Hari
Swarup,
Bol Krishna,
Ananda Paramahamsa.
Jaya Jaya Siddha Swarup, Nanda Paramahamsa. Jaya Jaya Siddha Swarup, Nanda Paramahamsa.
Namo Siddha Swarupananda, Paramahamsa Namine, Gora Karuna Swarupaya, Radha Krishna Prestaya Te.
Namo Siddha Swarupananda, Paramahamsa Namine, Gaura Karuna Swarupaya, Radha Krishna Prestayate. Oh!
Haribol, namaste. The first teaching that will help us understand what is a godly consciousness is that we ourselves must experience that, okay? Not just by discussing about what is godly, what is love, okay? So how can we experience that? How can we be in that situation? Kaya ang topic natin, the consciousness of a godly person and the consciousness of, and what is the consciousness of animal consciousness, okay? So the difference between a human being and an animal is that you have intelligence, okay? You have intelligence, okay? May talino kayo ba? Kung mayroon. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, sinasabi sa atin, yung freedom, liberation, must be coming in contact with the wisdom of our true transcendental nature coming from God Himself, the bona fide spiritual master, who is the representative of God. So He teaches us about our identity, how to be engaged in a consciousness that is divine. Okay? So you can see it and you can know it if we can distinguish what is animal consciousness and a godly consciousness. Kasi kung hindi nyo alam, paano nyo ma-explain, di ba? Okay? Dahil may talino kayo, you can distinguish. Pero hindi rin nyo pwedeng you cannot just distinguish it without the wisdom. Kaya sa spiritual life, it's very important to have sat about your eternality and the wisdom how to apply it so you experience it. So you'll experience the pleasure of what is divine consciousness. Okay? And I'll read sa Bhagavad Gita what is a divine consciousness. Okay? So when you come in contact with an environment wherein an educational institution like Madana Mohana Academy, we are being given the opportunity to receive the wisdom, learn about it, apply it, and experience the happiness of tasting that wisdom. Okay? Halimbawa, if you have no knowledge about this wisdom and you are in this consciousness of this disease consciousness of materialism, meaning your life is just centered around eating, sleeping, mating, and defending and fighting. Yeah? Ano yung ginagawa ng hayop, di ba? Kumain, matulog, gumawa ng aso, makipag-away. Okay? Anong kaibahan natin? What's the difference? Mayroon kayong talino. Inisip nyo, kung halimbawa, nasa false bodily identification ka pa, tanong mo, bababuyin pa ba natin ang baboy? Hindi na kailangan. Dahil baboy na nga yun eh. Hindi na nyo kaya siyang babuyin dahil baboy na siya eh. Okay? So, kung pupunta kayo sa situation wherein you're given this wisdom, makikita nyo yun kung you become purified from this material disease of false bodily identification. Meaning, you will be the one to discipline the mind and the senses. Because you're not the mind, you're not the senses, and the intelligence, you can use it to be guided with the wisdom that is given to you. That you're eternally the loving child of God. Okay? So, that's why it's very important to understand that spiritual life is an experience you must experience. Hindi pwedeng you join. You go to a place, para bang, halimbawa, nakita mo, in Manila kasi, nakakakita ako I see this scenario wherein, actual scenario, sa ilalim ng tulay, di ba may kanta, may pulis sa ilalim ng tulay, may uniforme yung pulis, may motorsiklo, highway patrol. Nanguhuli siya. Nanguhuli siya. Pero nanguhuli siya dahil hindi sila nagbe-break, dahil lumalabag sila sa batas. Nanguhuli siya para mangutong. Pero alam nyo, hindi pala siya pulis. Yung motorsiklo niya hindi pala nabibilong sa highway patrol. At hindi rin siya sa role ng mga pulis. Pero ang panglabas, pulis siya. Okay? Panglabas, pulis. Kaya makita mo, pulis. Okay? Pero yung gawain, hindi pulis. Okay? So ngayon, yung person, pwedeng nasa lugar na may subject kayo pagpakatao. Okay? Pagpapakatao. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi pagpakahayop. Di ba? Dahil alam na nyo yung activities ng hayop. Okay? Kung halimbawa, ang process natin ay to receive knowledge through the sound that is coming from God. Meaning, not touched by materialism. Ano yung materialism? The three modes of material nature. It is about material consideration. It's about the disease, the virus, na pumapatay sa atin spiritually. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo namamatay, pero pumapatay dahil natatabunan tayo. For example, pumunta kayo sa lugar na to, you come here not because you're pure. Okay? You approach the spiritual master or Krishna. You go to the place of worship because you know you're helpless. Okay? But if you have this contamination, you're thinking, oh, I am a pure devotee, I chant, nandito ako sa lugar kung saan yung not even Madana, nasa holy place kayo, o in a way, transcendental place, okay? Pero kung makita mo, yung person na to, parang hindi yata tama yung ginagawa, di ba? Halimbawa, nakakita kayo ng aso, dito, pumasok dito aso, sabay umihi, umihi, tas nagpupo. Di ba, maano ka, psst, 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 di ba? Di ba? Okay. Kung yung person nandito, tapos hindi siya nagme-make ng effort, tapos ang lumalabas sa kanya ay nonsense sa bibig niya, and yung galit niya, alam nyo? So, mapapagsabihan siya na hindi tama yan kasi ang lumalabas sa bibig mo ay toxic. Yung anger mo, yung galit mo sa Diyos. Okay? Pero dahil may idea ka na pumunta ka sa lugar na, lahat sila ay gumagawa ng paraan para mapalapit sa Diyos. So mga tao na to, maka-Diyos. So ngayon, kung yung aso, baboy pumunta rito, tumai dyan, papalisin mo, di ba? Ngayon, kung yung spirit soul, hindi pagpakatao, pagkapakahayop ang isipan niya, maggagawa siya ng paraan na ang lumalabas sa bibig niya ay toxic, mapupulyot kayo. Galit sa Diyos. Galit sa lahat ng ginagawa rito. At ang sabi niya, kung maka-Diyos kayo, bakit pinapahirapan niyo ako? Okay? Ang totoo, hindi siya pinahirapan. Sinasabi sa kanya, hoy, gusto mong tumae? Gusto mong pupo? May CRO? Ayaw mo niya. Diba? Ayaw niya. So, pupupo siya saan-saan. Tao, hayop. Okay? Ngayon, makikita natin, kawawa naman siya, pinahihirapan. Tumatain na nga yung person saan-saan may CR man dyan. At yung lugar na to ay para maprotektahan kayo ng kaalaman. Kita nyo? Ha? Kaya pag may tao nandito na hindi nagpapakatao, tapos may damit na nagcha-chant, di ba? Kasi alam nyo, mag-ingat kayo sa wolf in sheep's clothing. Okay? Hindi pwedeng akala nyo, pwedeng may pakpak pa yung tao, maglagay siyang pakpak. Alam nyo? May damit, magpahaba siya ng balbas kagaya ni Jesus Christ. Okay? Yung mata niya, yung kagaya nakikita nyo sa tricycle, yung mata ni Jesus talagang parang awang-awa sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng ganun. Hello? Sa harap, maawain. Pero yung anino, pag nakita mo, kung makakakita ka kung may kaalaman ka, yung isang lobo in sheep's clothing, okay? Tupa yung damit, makikita mo agad yung anino kasi yun yung umaalingasaw sa kanya. Sa pagsasalita, sa gawa, toxic ba? Lumalabas. Hindi mo pwedeng itago yun yung galit mo. Kaya, araw-araw, tingin niya, ba't hindi nagagawa nila? Kung maka-Diyos ang mga tao rito, ba't hindi ko magawa? Hindi ako pwedeng tumai saan dito. May CR lumakad ka, tumai ka rin, hindi ka pwede rito. Hindi pwede ang baboy dito. Okay? Napakalupit nyo. Di ba? Napakalupit nyo. Hindi nyo papayagan ang baboy magpakababoy. Bahala ka kung magpakababoy ka, pero wag nyong babuyin yung isipan ng mga spirit soul na gustong magpakatao at maintindihan yung kaalaman. Kita nyo? So ngayon, sino ang kaibigan nyo? Okay? Kaya ang mangyayari nun, yung person na to, gagawa ng paraan yan, kumuha ng sympathy sa inyo. Okay? So ngayon, naging kaibigan nyo yung person na yun. Naging kaibigan mo. So, papasok na yung demoniac consciousness. The enemy of my friend is my enemy. Okay? Ngano kipasipalan nyo akong amigo? Kaluoy niya, Sige, nagsulti na gyud siya. Kung tinuod mo maka-Diyos, mano pasipala ko nyo? Natural lang sinasabi namin sa iyo, kung gusto mong tumae, tayo ka sa CR. Huwag kang magkalat dito. Ha? So ito yung place, kaya nga tinuro sa inyo that we must be in control of our mind, our tongue. Di ba? Kasi nga, we want you to protect you from people who are influenced by demoniac consciousness. And then if you are open, parang sinabi nyo, nagsasalita ng nonsense dyan kasi individuals are influenced by demoniac consciousness. Okay? What is a demon? Someone who envies God, who doesn't who doesn't want to do the will of God. So, pero may desire sila ng nature ng living entity. May desire siya na sana maganda yung buhay niya. Wala man siya kaalaman to be in harmony with God's law. Ang will niya is, God should do my will. I will do my will. Kabaliktara man sa spiritual life. In spiritual life is about, let me do your will. Your will be done. Ano yung will ng Supreme Person? To serve and love, to do His will. Because that is our natural position and function. That will free us, will protect us. Because that relationship of love and surrender will protect us. We will be guided by the love and heart of God. Okay? Tindihan nyo? But if a person who is influenced by the three modes of material nature, who is angry, who has this idea in his mind, thinking, look how great I am. Gaano ako ka pure, no? Gaano ako ka rich. Actually, pobre na gani, ultimo na, pero huna-huna niya, dato siya. Okay? Abi niya, powerful siya, pero kagamatoy. Di ba? Unsay ang espada. Lahat kayo may espada alam nyo? So dito, tinuruan kayo na you have the power. Ibig sabihin, meron kayong weapon. Okay? Anong weapon nyo? Na nandyan sa inyo. Yung power na yan. To make a choice. To use your body. Okay? To use the door to open it so Krishna will enter your heart. Intindihan nyo? Is it clear to you? Now, kung wala kayong kaalaman at ang consciousness natin is centered around our will. So anybody, anything that will obstruct our dominion, our will, we get angry. We resist. Pero actually, ang nagre-resist is the consciousness that influence us. Passion to lord over material nature. Kaya, because you cannot get what you want, you're angry. Either ballpen, cellphone, okay? O pinailagay na lang natin, hindi mo makuha na ipakita sa mga tao, I am pure, I am a devotee of God. I am a saintly person. I am perfect. Okay? Perfect ako. Bakit mo ako pinagsasabihan? Okay? So, yun yung, kaya nangyayari, dahil wala tayong kaalaman at hindi natin natitikman yung pagsisilbi, pagmamahal sa Diyos, ang pinagsisilbihan natin ay ang illusion influenced by Maya. Because we don't want. We want to perpetuate and do our will. Kaya pag lalagay kayo sa lugar kung saan yung mga individual are listening to the spiritual master, trying hard to surrender and pray and engage and glorify God, hindi man kayo nasanay na to glorify God. Sanay kayo glorify yung sarili nyo Di ba? Look how I dance. Di ba? Look how I chant. Kagano kaganda yung boses ko na habang kumakanta ako yung mukurog, I am now the holy names. The sound that comes out of my mouth will purify you. Okay? You've gone crazy pag gano'n na. Kasi the process is not like that. So when you chant the holy names is a prayer wherein you are offering your prayer to God. Please let me serve and love you. So when you are in an environment wherein everybody is making effort to do the service of God, ang consciousness mo, ikaw ang Lord. Ngayon, na-level up. You're God now. You're the center of the universe. Kaya gusto mo, people will, kagaling kumanta, pure. Pero, pag nakita ng mga devotees, uy, hindi, ba't ka nagkakalat? Ba't ka tumatay saan-saan? May CR. Sabi, hindi ka pwede rito. Di ba? Hindi ka pwede rito. Tapos umaangal na. Sasabihin, kung para sa Diyos to, ba't nyo kong pinahirapan? Actually, hindi naman ako nagpapahirap sa kanya, sa mga tao na ganun. Kasi unang-una pa, they are not entitled to do what they want here. Okay? I did not invite them. They decided to come here. Ngayon, kung dinicide mo pumunta, magstay sa isang place, so dapat marunong kang makisuyo, sumama. Pero kung gusto mong i-dominate yung lugar kung saan yung mga tao, gusto mong ikaw na yung direktor, hindi ka naman, dito isa lang ang direktor natin si Krishna. Okay? Kung naisip mo, punta ako dyan. Pero habang nandun ka, naglilinis ka dahil wala kang sa puso mo na yung ginagawa mo pala ay para mapalapit sa Diyos. Kaya pag nakakikita ka ng basura, ba't ko pupulutin yan? Di ba? Pero kung mayroon kang mithiin sa puso mo magsilbi at nakikita mo ang lugar na to pala ay isang biyaya na binigay sa akin, nilagay ako sa sitwasyon. Kasi pwede naman kayo nasa labas alam nyo? Pwede kayo nandun sa lugar nyo, nasa perya kayo, o kaya nasa disco kayo, na lugar, pwede naman, di ba? Okay? Ngayon, kung napunta kayo rito, dahil hindi ka nakarinig, sarado yung isipan mo, na hindi ka Lord. Kaya pag nakita mo, ba't ako pupulot ng basura dyan? Hindi mo na nakita na yung lugar pala to pag-aari ng Diyos. Okay? Kaya nga, kung titignan natin, kung magme-make tayo ng advancement, wala naman difference sa spiritual world sa material world. Kasi kay Krishna lahat yan eh. Ang diferensya tayo, paano natin ina-address at ginagamit yung temporary na sa facility natin. Itong katawan, yung isipan natin, yung intelligence natin. Yun ang dapat nyo maintindihan. Okay? Kaya kung wala kang kaalaman, hindi mo malalaman. Dahil ang pag-ibig sa Diyos ay pagsunod sa turo ng Diyos. Okay? So babasahin ko ngayon sa inyo yung turo. Ano yung consciousness na yun? Okay? At himay-himayin natin para makita natin kung papunta ba tayo doon o pa-atras tayo. Okay? Ngayon, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, kung wala kang kaalaman, kaya nga importanteng may kaalaman eh. Halimbawa, simple na lang kasi kayo nag-garden kayo, you're engaging in doing garden, okay? Hindi nyo alam para saan gamitin yung bolo, okay? Di ba? Hindi naturo sa inyo kung saan ba ni bolo ni. Pero tuturuan kayo, dong, hait na, dili gunitan diri ha. Okay? Dili ka maggunit sa kanang talinis dia kay samad ka. Di ba? Turuan ka. Pero kung bugo ka, adiri lang ko maggunit, maglampas. Pag-ana nimo, putuli mong kamot. Kaya ang bulan nimo, naputuli mong kamot, gigunitan man nimo ang ano. Okay? Tapos hindi pa yon. Ano bang trabaho natin? Maglinis. Ano lilinisan natin? Hindi mo alam kung ano yung, wala kang kaalaman kung ano yung lalampasin mo. So sabi, doon kayo maglampas ha, doon kasi puro damo doon. Kasi masukal. Ikaw, hindi ka makanarinig, nandun ka man, nagkakalat, ihirito, tai doon, parang hayop ba, okay? Okay, biglang nandyan na yung bolo. Imbis pumunta ka doon, ginawa mo, doon ka pumunta sa kabila, kung saan yung garden nyo. Putol-putol niya mga talong na gitanom niyo ba? Okay, abi niya, sagbot. Okay? So, ang point ko rito, meron kayong isang bagay na nandyan, decision making, freedom of choice, pero may responsibilidad yun na kaakibat. Hindi pwedeng, kagaya ng aso, pupasok dito, tatai dyan, anong gagawin nyo? Papayagan mo nyo, oy, diri lang mo libang sa akong dulo. Kaya para, ano ba, okay? Okay? Manghihigod sa akong tiila. Gagawin niya? Okay? Himo ni mo? Hindi, usaon ni mo ang iro. Si Pao ni mo ba? Eh kung nandito pa yung mga worker ko dati, ihaw ka. Okay? So doon yung makikita yung effect ng someone who is not understanding and listening and becoming purified by the process. Okay? So ito yung babasahin ko ngayon sa inyo. I'll speak it in English, okay? I'll read it in English, okay? And then I'll translate it para maintindihan nyo ba? Okay? Para klaro. It's Krishna, text 44. The subject matter is about observing the armies on the battle of Kurukshetra. So ito, it's like you're in a war, nanonood kayo ba? Di ba pag nanonood kayo ng gera, lahat sila may mga armas? Okay? Kayo may armas din man kayo. Yung baba nyo ba? Okay? So ang pasabot na, kung ang armas nyo, ang baba nyo, pwede pala kayong masamad sa inyong armas. Okay? Kay once mag-speak kayo ng nonsense, sino una makakarinig? Ikaw. Di ba? Maglito ka, eh kung nasa mood of passion, magstorya kayo ng mga usapang hindi tao. Okay? So yun ang maririnig mo. Parang sinabi mo sa tao, sa sarili mo, ikaw, hindi na iba. Sinabi mo, okay, buksan ko yung tainga ko, tapunan nyo ng basura. Paano yun na iro? Mulibang sa ako. Paihiin sa tainga ko, kasi parang toilet bowl man ang tainga ko. And then, your heart becomes what? Impure. Okay? Papayag kayo? You have the freedom and choice. Yung mga hayop, wala man. Kasi under man sila sa modes ng ano. Wala silang karapatan mambaboy. Okay? Lalo na sa lugar kung saan makikita sila. Okay? Kaya nga, kung saan may liwanag, walang kadiliman. Okay? So, basahin ko na to. Para makita nyo. Okay? Alam niya na yung mind nyo, hindi kayo. You can watch your mind. You can say, I changed my mind. Okay? Yung desire na sa mind. Yung desire nandyan. Kung minsan wala. Kaya kung yung desire, nag-identify ka sa body, sa mind, kung yung desire sa mind, halimbawa, makita nyo na sa desire sa mind, I want to experience, to love, to serve someone, to enjoy. Yung mind, yung desire to enjoy as a woman. Yung katawan nyo lalaki. Okay? Pero hindi eternal yun. Desire lang yun ng mind. Kaya ang maglalabas ngayon, sasabihin mo kay John Ken, I love you. Gakusunta ka, kiss kita. Di ba? O ano yung maging reaction mo? Uy, di man itama. Okay? Pero kung nakarinig ka rin, binuksan mo yung tainga mo sa sound na, alam mo, sa sound na contaminate ka, naghahanap ka ng happiness, at nakita mo yung happiness ng lahat ng ginagawa, hindi masaya. Pero itong tao na to, yung nakikita mo, si Vice hindi maganda, masaya. Tawa ng tawa. Pero kung titignan nyo yung anino, hindi tawa yun. Parang yung wolf, nakangisi. Iba yung ngiti eh. Alam nyo, yung ngiti, alam nyo yung ngiti, yung smile? Alam yung ngisi? Ha? Ano yung ngisi? Sinong ngumingisi? Yung wolf. Sino yung ngumingiti? Ikaw. Okay? Nakita niya? Okay? In the minds of those who are too attached to sense enjoyment and material opulence and who are bewildered by such things, the resolute determination of devotional service to the Supreme Lord does not take place. Okay? Kaya, yung nasa isipan ng mga tao who are too attached to sense enjoyment. Bakit attached sa sense enjoyment? Kasi yung source ng happiness niya is through the senses. Okay? Attached siya doon. Ang resolute path, one-pointed resolute path ng devotional service will not take place. Kasi servant ka ng mind mo eh. Ang daming desire. Okay? Ngayon, desire mo, inisip mo, girl ka. Sa susunod naman, desire mo, boy ka. Okay? Desire mo naman ngayon, robot ka. Okay? Pagtagal, sangguko ka na. Di ba? Pag desire, ML ka na. Di ba? Ano ba yung ginagawa ngayon sa Japan? Na yung mga, lahat sila yung mukhang nakadamit Barbie doll na ang tatanda na pero damit bata pa? Yellow, blue, green ang buhok. Okay. Isip mo, ganun ka ngayon. Okay? Sa panahon na to. Noong panahon noon, nakapanahon na namin, nakita nila si Elvis Presley. Ang buhok ni Elvis Presley pa ganun eh. Okay? Nakadamit bell-bottom siya. At kumakanta siya, bebop, badudap. Okay? Lahat ng tao, nakikita nila, si Elvis. Lahat nakadamit Elvis. Naka-bell-bottom. Nakadamit na checkered. Ang kwelo, ganun kalaki. Lahat inisip, I'm Elvis. Okay? So when a person identifies himself, anong gusto niya, love? Ha? Jack, i-adjust mo lang na hindi siya. So when a person identifies himself with the body, definitely he will be driven by the mind. Yung mind kasi, nandun yung three modes of material nature. Kasi gusto mong i-defeat si Krishna. You want to play Lord. Pero ang problem, nandiyan man si Maya. Maya means illusion. Hindi yung Maya na ibon na hindi yun. Si Maya means material energy. Wife ni Krishna itong material energy. Siya yung mother ng, kaya tawag doon, mother natin kasi Mother Earth, Mother Nature. Okay? Kaya yung consciousness ng devotee, kasi gusto niya yata, yung consciousness ng devotee is that he is able to see and see clearly who he is and how he relates with his friend, Krishna. Okay? With his mother. Okay? Kaya nga, tawag nila, what is happening sa mga nangyari ngayon? They rape Mother Nature. Okay? So ngayon, ano yung consciousness ng hayop? Okay? So papayag ba kayo na yung person, ang tingin niya sa mundo ay parang gamitin lang to eat, and then he comes here and he tells you, I love you, I'll rape you. Papayag kayo? Di ba? Anong gagawin nyo? Bunal, di ba? Pero yung tao na contaminated din, kaluoy, nanghangyo lamang siya rape punta tanan, nga wa siya nagsugot. Di ba? Kita nyo? Yung consciousness ng materialism. Tapos, ang tingin nyo, amigo ba yan ako na siya? So the enemy of my friend is my enemy now. Kasi pareho may consciousness nyo. Okay? Okay? Ang spiritual life is an individual experience and process wherein you yourself make a decision to do the will of God. It's not a place you join. It is a process you receive God's mercy, the holy name, to purify us from this material contamination, to be able to experience the happiness, the ananda of doing the will of God. Kasi we are not self-sufficient. We are not God. We are eternally the loving servant of God. And when we are contaminated with this materialistic disease and consciousness of false ego, we're not in that world of giving, changing, or sacrificing, making a stand to do what is pleasing to God. It's all about what the mind dictates us. And if the influence is the mode of passion, kasi gusto mo mag-play Lord eh. So okay, play Lord. And you're forced now to play Lord with the experience of pain and suffering. Okay? Kaya ang tingin mo, malupit tong mundo na to. Kaya nakakita ka, uy, doon tayo punta sa Madana kasi mga tao doon, mababait ba yan? Nag-chant lang. Hindi sultihan, hindi ta si Paon, masimulibang ta, masiasa. Pasagdi lang nila. Okay? Buutan kayo sila. Pero pag hindi mo na nakuha, gusto mo, anong magiging experience mo? Abin ako, godly mo, mga santo mo. Ngano pahawaw niyo ko diri? Gusto lang kumulibang diri? Hindi pwede. Okay? Tapos, meron ka pang arrogance. As if you're entitled. Okay? As if you're entitled. So you can rape everybody here by showing them, okay, I will do what I want. I will show my anger, okay, by not doing what everybody's doing. But in front of, of the people, to show them how holy I am, I chant. And I sing very nicely, Hare Krishna! Uy, saintly person, Pero pag makita ni mo ang anino, naaman pala sundang, igbaso ni mong ulo, pero di ni mo nakita. Nga naman? Because you have no wisdom. You have no wisdom of what is transcendental. And you're not experiencing what is the experience of someone who is serving God. So that is the reason you're here, okay? To show you to make the right decision, to do the will of God. It doesn't mean na kailangan kung anong ginagawa niya, ganun ginagawa niyo. No. It is the spiritual understanding that is being taught by Scripture that everything belongs to God. We're all brothers and sisters. Okay? And the only way you can be happy is connect yourself with the source of happiness, Govinda. And the process is chant the names of Govinda. Okay? Pero iba man ang tingin mo, inisip mo ikaw si Govinda. Yun ang influence ng impersonalism. An impersonalist is someone who's polluted thinking that he's God. A materialist is someone who thinks he's the body. Okay? He's the false ego now. The Lord. So dalawa. How can you defeat this philosophy of materialism and impersonalism? Hindi nyo pwedeng i-defeat lang yan by killing them. Okay? It must be defeated with wisdom. And what is that wisdom? It is about the absolute truth. Okay? About your true transcendental nature. That your spirit, soul. And what entangles you, imprison you, is the consciousness you have now, we have now. Lordship. Trying to follow and enjoy the senses. Okay? Kaya you're angry. Masi anong gawin nyo? Hasain nyo yung mga espada nyo? Masi anong gawin nyo? Okay? So ngayon, yung espada nyo, yun ang tumutusok sa inyo. Yun ang pumuputol sa ulo nyo. Yung opportunity sana na yung espada o kaya yung sundang magamit pang putol ng mga weeds. Okay? Magamit nyo magtanim, pagtumba nyo yun, tutusok sa inyo. Kaya nagsasalita ka ngayon, hindi mo alam, yung sinasabi mo, nagsasalita ka, espada mo na, yung natutusok ka na sa sarili mong espada. Okay? Kasi spiritual life is an individual practice. Okay? The Vedas mainly deal with the subject of the three modes of material nature. Rise above the modes, O Arjuna. Be transcendental to all of them. Be free from all the dualities and all anxieties for gain and safety, and be established in the self. So, dito ko ibabalik sa inyo yung teaching natin. There are 4 individuals who goes to Krishna, who approach God. Number 1, yung publikayo. Ginoo ko, punta siya sa Diyos. Tabangan ko, wala akong pagkaon. Publikayo mi. Okay? Ang isa naman, problemado. Masiasa siya paingon. Lisod kayo. Di ba? Distress. Ang isa, ano yan? Yung curious ba? Unsa man na chanting. Di ba? Ang isa matalino. Naisip niya, miserable itong mundo na to. But they're all fruitive workers. Gusto nila, kaya sila nagpunta sa process na to is they want the fruits. Okay? They want the fruits. But if you chant and become purified by the process itself, you will not become a fruitive worker. Kasi that fruitive consciousness is a contaminated state. Pag hindi mo nakuha yung desire mo, ibig sabihin nun, very, very direct na, hindi na tayo paliguli. God, you did not do my will. I'm angry. Okay? I'm angry. So magyawa-yawa ka na. Hindi ka nagsalita, pero ang mata mo siga na. Tama? Siga na ba? Gamay kayo yung mata, pero dako na ba? Siga na. Gusto na mo gawas. Mulukso. Okay? Pero di man mo mahimo kay sino ka ba, di ba? Inisip mo. At hindi lang yun. Saan ako pupunta? Okay? Takot ka. Ngayon, hindi mo mamura ang Diyos. Kaya nasa lugar ka kung saan yung mga tao sinusubukan nilang magsilbi sa Diyos, galit ka sa kanila. Kasi hindi mo magawa yung gusto mo. Okay? Hindi mo makuha yung fruits mo. Kasi yung mga tao nag-aalay sa Diyos. Ikaw ang Diyos. Ikaw aalay namin sa'yo. Your will be done. So, anong gagawin namin? Magbabow down kami sa'yo? Sipahin ka namin, oy. Humility means be honest. Okay? Humility means telling the truth. Okay? Telling the truth. Hindi yung humility. Devote na, oy. Bunala na to. Sipaw na to. Pakauno na to basura. Humble man na. Mupiyong-piyong lang na sa mata. Okay? Parang sinabi nyo, rape me. Humble man ko. Maana inyong conscience. Bunala mo, lubong mong buhi pa. Okay? Di na devote. Mamalikas mo na. Sino yung akala nyo devotee? Someone na nag-chant na napakaganda. Pero yung anino, yung lumalabas sa bibig, di ba? You can know a saintly person when he speaks. You can know a dog when he speaks. The sadhu or the holy man who praises me is my enemy. Alam mo yung sadhu, holy man? Sabihin, uy, John, kabuutan yun ni mo, uy. Dungan ta magsigarilyo dyan, usay kwarta ni mo, di ba? Kita niya? So the devotee will tell you, hey, you're a thief. You have this consciousness of animal consciousness. Pero kung nag-advance ka, oo nga, no? Pero kung inisip mo, pure ka, what? Ako? Unsay pagtanaw nimo sa ako? Okay? Unsay pagtanaw nimo sa ako? Okay? Hindi devote? Ultimo? Wali kusog? Huh? Wala na. Wala na kayong dapat pag-usapan. Kasi hindi na usapang tao yun eh. Usapang hayop na ba? When it's based upon the three modes of material nature and the person relates to you in illusion, wala na kayong dapat pag-usapan. Okay? Kasi hindi mo na siya, hindi na siya nakatingin sa'yo eh. Sa harap mo siya, pero ang kausap mo yung mind niya, wala na siya doon. Kaya kaya very serious yung spiritual master kasi walang rehearsal dito. Alam niyo bakit? Yung time tumatakbo eh. Kaya ba niyong i-reverse? Diba? You have the opportunity to learn to become free and you don't take it, then it's a big loss to you. Okay? Ngayon, kung di ka nagme-make progress, ang nakikita mo iba, dapat ang tanong nyo, bakit ako galit? Bakit ako frustrated? Hindi ko makuha yung gusto ko. Okay? May karapatan ba ako? Gawin lahat ng gusto ko? Okay? Entitled ba ako na maghari-hari? Nasa mali kang consciousness. Kasi instead na tignan mo yung kakulangan mo, ang ginagawa mo, you're building up the pasad. Alam mo yung pasad? Yung pasad ba? Okay? Parang pag nanonood ka nakita mo yung mga taong ungas dyan, nandun sa bar, naka-black light lahat, nagsasayaw doon, akala nila maganda. Akala nila babae. Okay? Kasi hindi mo na alam, sa katawang babae, pero kita nila, di ba? Madilim. Okay? Wala ka na maano sa kanila kasi nasa kadiliman naman sila. Pero pag buksan mo yung ilaw, kita nila, hindi man pala maganda yung nagsasayaw. Okay? Hindi man pala, mukhang impacta man pala. Puro peklat yung legs. At hindi lang yun. Hindi pala babae. Okay? Pero meron ding mga tao na perverted din. Kaya ang materialism, huwag tayo maging bigot, alam niyo yun. Bayot, tomboy. Huwag ganun. Kasi lahat ng nasa material consciousness ay perverted. Kasi hindi man ikaw yung body. Bakit ka mag-make ng effort para baguhin yung hindi dapat inseparable yung living entity with love and devotion. Hindi dapat natin tignan yung damit. Okay? Walang kaibahan. Kasi pag nag-followers ka ng senses, either yung mind mo, alam mo, anong kinakain na gustong kainin ng mind mo? Gusto mong kumain ng puto, bibinging tao. Gusto mong kumain ng tae, pareho lang yun. Matter pa rin. Okay? Kita nyo? So, hindi dapat dun mapokus sa atin na righteous tayo. Mga sinful kayo. Hindi dapat. Kung ganon, mapopokus kayo panglabas. Okay? Panglabas. Kawawa ka masyado. Kasi na-waste mo yung opportunity mo na makita mo yung totoo sa pakikinig at sa process. Kaya hindi ka mag-graduate. Baksak ka. Ano yung pag bumagsak ka? Repeat. Repeat! Repeat dito, hindi naman babalik ka lang sa grade 1 uli. The cycle of birth and death. To be born, to experience birth, death, disease, death, and old age. To be cut off from your foundation or happiness na akala mo yun. Every time, on and on and on. Hindi ka mag-graduate. Para kang school bukol. Ano yung school bukol? Nagsimula yung eskwelahan 50 years ago. Yung grade 1, senior citizen na, ikaw grade 1 ka pa rin. Pabalik-balik sa eskwelahan. Pero akala mo, siga ka. Okay? Siga ka. Choy-choy. Okay? So, yun yung dapat ninyong malaman. All purpose that are served by the small pan can at once be served by the great reservoir of water. Similarly, the purpose of the Vedas can be served to one who knows the purpose behind them. Okay? Everybody is looking for happiness. Okay? You. Wala naman nagsabi sa inyo na pahirapan nyo. Gusto ko mahirap yung buhay ko. Ikulong nyo ako doon. No? Gawa kayo ng Bartolina ron. Habang nag-aaral tayo sa Madana, doon ako sa sulub ng drum. Okay? Buksan nyo dahil gawin natin basurahan. Gusto ko maka-experience ng suffering. Matabunan ng basura. May ganun ba sa inyo? Wala. So, ibig sabihin, sane kayo. Okay? So, kung maintindihan nyo yung kaalaman na to, makikita nyo na everything animate or inanimate that is within this universe is owned and controlled by God. Knowing well to whom they belong, you should only use the quota that is allotted to you. Meron ka ng quota, may tadhana ka na. Alam mo, kung anong nauukol yun ang bubukol. Masi anong gawin mo? Gawin mo mang gabi, yung araw gawin mong, gabi gawin mong araw, trabaho ka 24/7, kayod. Kung ano yung darating sa'yo. May karma ka eh. Dapat ma-appreciate natin yung opportunity when we see it with clarity, with a vision that is transcendental and connected with devotion. You see, it's God's property, okay? For example, kayo, nagcha-chant kayo, makakita kayo ng isang kaibigan, okay? Kung sa materialistic consciousness, naglalakad ka, Maya will be offering you eh. Maraming offering ba? Hulihin ba kayo ni Maya? Sa pinto nyo, lagyan lahat kayo, okay? Nagta-travel ka, pinapunta ka lang para bumili ng suka ng nanay mo dahil lulutuin na yung panangalian, okay? Pagpunta sa daan, biglang may tao man doon. There's somebody there, may ahas, okay? Pag ganun-ganon, yung ahas sumusunod sa kanya. Alam niyo? Nakakita na kayong ganon? Gaganon niya yung cobra. Sasayaw sa yung cobra, magganon-ganon din. Alam niyo bakit yun? Kasi yung cobra, pinapakain niya ng adik, hindi ilaga. Baka ikaw yung kainin dahil kung gano'n. Adik yung cobra, may opium ba? So yung cobra, sumusunod sa drug dealer, yung nag-ano sa kanya. Siya yun. Okay? Paano nyo nagagawa yun? Kasi yung cobra, dependent sa kanya dahil sa drugs na binibigyan niya, opium. Okay? So, ganun din tayo. Si Maya, nandun, ang daming pinapakita sa atin. Addictive man tayo sa materialistic happiness. Kasi nga, nag-identify tayo sa mind. Very obvious naman. Pero hindi mo makita yun pag covered ka. Okay? Kaya, pag nag-identify ka sa body, sa mind, sa intelligence, pag hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo, anong magiging experience mo sa puso mo? Di ba? Kalungkutan, kalupitan, anger. Di ba? Frustrated ka eh. Di ba? Sawi. Di ba? Kaya, ang relationship mo sa mundo na to iba, nakikita mo to as lugar na pwede mong gamitin. Okay? It's a big area a field of activity to enjoy, okay, to use. Kaya kung wala kang kaalaman, mahook ka ni Maya. Matali ka ba? Kaya shackled ka. Kaya ang freedom talaga is to be able to realize your true transcendental nature. So, very simple lang naman, pero bakit hindi maintindihan? Kasi nga, there's something in our heart for so long that we must purify. Our enviousness of God. Our hatred of God. Because we want to do our will. And if you're in that consciousness, wala ka sa devotional mood. Kasi ang pagsisiliwan mo, ikaw eh. Okay? But ang true nature means you're eternally the child of God. And Krishna comes inviting you to go back to that world. Okay? So, hindi pwede hayop dun. Okay? So, kung hayop, dito ka. So, ang baboy, magpapakababoy, at pag napunta ka sa Madana, hindi tayo papayag na ang baboy ay babuyin. Dapat makita ng baboy yung situation niya. Okay? At kung may baboy dyan na maglakad-lakad din, palisin natin. Okay? Dindihan nyo? Ngayon, sinong kakaawaan nyo? Kayo o yung baboy? Kayo. Pero pag hindi nyo nakita, maawa kayo sa baboy. Okay? Intindihan niya? So the wise does not lament for the living nor the dead. Kasi he sees the living entity as eternal. What saddens the person who understands is that he is not using the potential, the choice, the decision-making that is inseparable from all of us. And the love we're looking for and the joy that we're searching for, which is to render loving service to God. Kasi sinabi rito, yung mind, the mind of those who are too attached to sense enjoyment and material opulence and who are bewildered by such things, the resolute determination of devotional service to the Supreme Lord does not take place. Kaya nga, sabi ni, it is impossible for a rich man to enter the kingdom of God than for a camel to enter the eye of a needle. Uy, kinsay makasulod sa kingdom of God? With man, it's impossible. But with God, it's possible. Ano yung rich man? Ano yung rich man? Sinabi lang, rich man eh. You own. Di ba? I own this body. You know? I am the Lord. Kaya mas may 5 ka lang, wala ka sa consciousness ng nakakakwarta na ako 5. Pag na makalikay lang, maunya, makalikyas ko, palidyot ko ni ka ng kropek na tagawas. Okay? You think you own something. Either mamera, 5, but in this consciousness na I own. Okay? Lalo na kung dumating ka na sa illusion of grandiose ba, inisip mo, you are so great. I own. Okay? It begins with, I own this body. I am the body. I am the Lord. Then it expands. My false ego, my wife, my son, my place, this is mine. Okay? So, the resolute determination of devotional service does not take. Ano yung resolute? One-pointed. One-pointed. Parang pinalakat ka ng nanay mo, Dong, palit nito kay masunog na ba yung giluto na to? Okay? Hindi na ni mo luto bugas ba? Palit dito ka ng gamay na sugnod. Okay? Pero pagpunta mo doon, biglang, push, imong amigo, bye, parts. Luwi ka kayo doon. Pasag din na mo mama, okay? Likay ka ba? Ato ka, unya na ni. Mama mo doon naghihintay. Okay? So, hindi mo magagawa yung utos ng nanay mo. Kasi simusunod ka sa isipan mo eh. Parang ganun din sa spiritual life. Binigyan ka ng kaalaman, this is the path. You walk straight. And this is the process, the wisdom, your true transcendental nature. You're not the mind, you're not the body, you're not the intelligence. You must purify your intelligence because you are the king of the kingdom, this body. The doors should be open to God. Okay? Open your door to God. Okay? So yung rich man, he thinks I own. Kaya, makita nyo, my son, okay? My daughter. He looks like me, you know? He acts like me. Di ba? One way. One way to hell. Okay? Because of ignorance and false bodily identification. You lead people to hell because of that consciousness. Okay? Are you loving that person? Hindi. Because you want your dominion. To be served, to do your will. Kaya my spiritual master came to this university, you know. Sabi niya, you think you're okay? You're not okay. Wala siya, lahat Lord. Who's this guy? Okay? Akala niyo okay kayo, alam mo? You can understand that when you progress in your understanding and the choice you make to engage in the science and the practice of devotional service. And you experience the joy of harmony with experiencing God's embrace in your heart. This desert heart you have, it will be filled. Alam nyo, when I was in high school, you know, di ko pa alam the science. You know, yung lordship, yung feeling rich, hindi ako makapasok. Maintindihan. Kasi I'm thinking I have. Okay? I own. Kaya pag Sunday, sarado lahat yung store, yung ang lungkot, hindi mo ma-express yung kalungkutan. Kasi yung hinahanap mo, wala dyan eh. Nakalakad ka, tingin ka sa store, bagong damit, bagong shoes, tingin ka lang. Amoy mo, lahat, wala ka ng gana ba? Wala ng gana. Kasi natabunan ka na nga ng lahat na yan eh. Kaya naglalakad ka, isip mo, kailangan makalimutan ko yung suffering ko. Ang barkada mo, okay? Ba't hindi tayo humithit muna ng damo? Tumira tayo ng ogoy. Di ba? Inom tayo ng alak para at least kalmado tayo. Pero hindi pa rin maalis. Habang nag-iinuman kayo, anong pinag-uusapan nyo? Yung napakasakit na experience na iniwan ka ni Maria. Napakasakit na experience na trinaydor ka ng best friend mo. Kinuha si Maria. Okay? Yan ang mundo dito eh. Kasi ang mundo dito, lahat Lord. Lahat hunter. Pero ang totoo, sila yung hunted. Okay? Ha? Okay, naintindihan niya? So you want to become free? Hindi to word na hunter kayo. Dapat umalis kayo rito kasi hunted kayo. Hindi na nga kayo dapat i-hunt ni Maya eh. Kinulong na kayo tayo ni Maya eh. Alam mo? With the mind. Nandyan na lahat nilagay. Para bang pumunta kayo dyan, di ba? Pag piyesta rito, di ba? Ang daming nagtitinda. Puro makikintab. Okay? May ukay pa dyan. Okay? Uy, suot ni sino yan? Suot ni... Barato kayo. 5 pesos lang. Sa 100, makasuot na ko ka ng sinina ni Na? So, yun na, makita nyo ba? Kaya yung person, yung devotee, he is the witness. He watch. And then, he's in meditation of what will give him happiness. And he chants, even with this. Kaya nga you chant, the reason you chant kayo, and after a while, nakaupo kayo, your mind will chant, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Krishna manifests in your heart, in your mind. You see Krishna everywhere. And you are experiencing harmony with Krishna. Okay? Kaya mas magkagulo dyan, tumayo-may yung baboy dyan, palisin lang nyo, okay? Meron dyan nagpakamatay, okay. Di ba? May umalis, okay. Kasi yung happiness mo is not dependent upon the organization. It's dependent upon what is inseparable from you. What is inseparable from you sa inyo lahat? Love. What is inseparable? To serve. Okay? Now you know the wisdom that if you serve God, you'll be happy. Okay? Stop playing that role of trying to be served, to be the Lord, a rich man. Okay? Kaya it's impossible for a rich man to enter the kingdom of God. And someone who's rich is someone who thinks, I own. I'm the Lord. Okay? Ako ni mga palanggana diri ha. Maglaba ko ako lang. Bahala mo diya. Okay? Kita niya? Okay. So I won't be talking long, pero at least you can now clearly understand. So yung wisdom na to, you have to check if what I'm saying is in harmony with Scripture, is in harmony with your true transcendental nature, it's in harmony with God's will, then you have to check. But if a person externally says something and iba yung dating, alam nyo, kagaya ng pulis, alam nyo, may damit pulis, hindi naman pula pulis. May motorsiklo, yung highway patrol, pininturahan lang pa niya highway patrol. Okay? Nanguhuli siya. Wala naman siya karapatang manghuli. Okay? Fake. Okay? Kaya you come in association with the loving servant of Krishna. It's like if you have this consciousness of a demon trying to imitate God, you see them as your nemesis, as an enemy ba? Ngayon, kung na-pollute ka nila, they become yung mga tao na who wants to be Lord, alam mo yung devil advocate? They advocate ba? Tuturuan nila kayo para maging demonyo. So, if you do that, then you you will experience the wrath of God, the anger of God. Because the killer of the soul, whoever he may be, will enter into the darkness region of ignorance. You cannot kill the soul, but you can kill his spiritual life if you pollute him with this disease of materialism. Okay? By teaching him what is wrong. Okay? Misguiding them. So, may consequence. Okay? May consequence. Hindi, you're not God. You're gonna suffer yung consequence. Parang pag nandiyan ka sa kalsada, it's a privilege to drive. May lisensya ako ha. Hindi ibig sabihin akin yung kalsada. Okay? Mag-drive ko, ligsan na ako na tanan diya. Okay, para murag ambulansya ba? Pipipit, 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 awa dia, awa dia, awa dia. Kay moagi ko, dalo na ako kining namatay, mamamatay na. Pero yung action mo, ligsan na ni mo tanan. Gusto ni mo isip na, pipipipipit, pag-abot dito, patay mangyapon. Pero kung ang consciousness mo, naka-privilege, privilege to control, to do everything above the law, then, ligsan mo, patay. Nakakita naman ko ambulansya dito, patay ang driver, bangga sa prime mover. Okay? Is it clear? You understand? So, Haribol, thank you very much. Question. Namo Sila Swarupananda Paramaham Saranane Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prasaya
Namo Sila Swarupananda Paramahansayanide Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prasaya
Namo Sila Swarupananda Paramahamsa Namine Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prasaya
Namo Sila Swarupananda Paramahansayanide Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prasaya
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana
Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasudeva Gaur Bhakta Vrinda
Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasudeva Bhakta Vrinda
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Om Krishna
Madana Mohana
Hari Om Krishna
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Om Krishna
Madana Mohana
Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana Gopala Govinda Rama Madana Mohana
Gopala Govinda Rama
Hari Om Krishna
Madana Mohana Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak.
Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak.
Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Gopala Govinda Rama, Mata Namo Anak. Jaya Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Jaya Gauranga, Jaya Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Jaya Gauranga. Jaya Jaya Srila Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Gurudev, Jaya Jaya Srila Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Gurudev. Jaya Jaya Srila Swarup, Ananda Paramahamsa, Jaya Jaya Srila Swarup, Ananda Paramahamsa. Namo Sila Swarupananda, Paramahamsa Namine, Gaura Karuna Swarupaya, Radha Krishna Prestayate.